ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
You select according to your wish, ma'am. From English book, from EVS book, and from math book. She'll read according to your choice, ma'am. Shanvi, are you ready? Yes.
Sanvi, I for?
I for important ice cream.
Good.
Good job.
Next.
EVS book also open and show one page, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes, two.
choose one page from EVS book.
Pet animals.
Rabbit, hen, cat, dog, horse, goat.
Good job. Now select math, ma'am. One page from math book. Any one of the pages. Okay. 6. Count and say.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
How many butterflies are there?
Any butterflies ఉన్నాయి?
1,
చెప్పాను.
Already you have counted, no? Say the figure.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6 butterflies are there.
ఇప్పుడు ఏది 6?
Very good, Shanvi.
కదా?
Next. My first book also
Rhyme,
select
rhyme.
letter. Rhyme.
Right. Ding dong bell.
Ding dong bell, who's in the bell? Who put the ring? Lady Dom is out. Who will around? Lady Dom is out.
Already 18 rhymes are there, ma'am. Whatever rhyme you select, she is ready to say. Select one page, ma'am. More than 500 pictures are there in that book, ma'am. You show her one page and she will start reading. Okay. Solar system you say, Shanvi.
Sun, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune.
Good.
Good job, Shanvi ma.
Next. English rhymes.
English rhymes that she has learnt, ma'am. That is not from the book, ma'am. We have selected randomly 15 rhymes. Any one of the rhyme can be selected.
English rhymes.
English rhyme. Select one rhyme, ma'am.
Rain, rain, go. Rain, rain, go.
Rain, rain, go away. Come and then another day. Little chata wants to play. Rain, rain, go away.
These are not from the academics, ma'am. Select one Telugu rhyme also. All 15 rhymes are there. You can select any one of the rhymes.
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Stand and say. Stand and say. Vande Mataram, you need to stand.
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malaya Sitalam, Sasya Syamalam, Mataram, Vande Mataram, Subrajyosna, Pulagitayamini, Pullakasumita, Drumarala Shobhini, Suvasini, Sumadura Bhashini, Sukada Marada Mataram, Vande Mataram.
Good job, Shanvi ma.
నెక్స్ట్ తెలుగు పెట్టిందని అసెంబ్లీ వస్తుంది తెలుగు లైన్
Assembly also she is able to say 10 areas, ma'am.
పొద్దున్నే మనం లేవాలి చెప్తామా పొద్దున్నే మనము లేవాలి
పొద్దున మనము లేవాలి, పళ్ళుని బాగా తోమాలి, గ్లాసులు పాలు తాగాలి, స్నానం చక్క చేయాలి, తలన్న బదువ్వాలి, చక్క పరికి వెళ్ళాలి, గురుకు దండం పెట్టాలి, చెల్లును బాగా చెనవాలి, అమ్మ నాన్న మెచ్చాలి, అమ్మ నాన్న మెచ్చాలి.
Good job, Shanvi.
నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జామ్స్
Next, are you ready to write exam? Your summative assessment? Yes. Already those 2 exams are done, ma'am. This exam she will write in front of you.
నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్
Hand,
Ma'am, each Roman one you show, ma'am. Time is running out. Later she will write the remaining part.
వాట్ ఇస్ దిస్
and
Circle the letter. Next, go to second Roman, ma'am. Later she will finish the rest of the thing.
Match.
Match it.
What is this?
R for rose.
Good.
Very good.